Hey guys, today is Sunday, July 22nd at 12:17 in the afternoon. Um, it's probably around 77 degrees. This past week I've been doing some work. I got the shelves on. I'm rearranging my pots and that. My new toy, my ice maker. It makes uh, it makes 26 pounds in 24 hours. Since I haven't hooked this up and this refrigerator needs to be replaced, I put it in here, up in my ice maker, and now I've got ice. I've been having it off. Also, too, I've been putting it in his doggy bowl because he doesn't need to drink warm water. I'm slowly working on my house today. I'll show you guys what I've been up to. It's cool. I can have a fire, so there we go. This is still a pigsty, but I haven't really done anything over here. There's his dog bones, his food, my coffee, and that bag is towels, tea towels, sheets. I've been working over here. I've got a few more boxes I got to take out to throw in the fire, but I made a heck of a dent on my house so far, which I know you guys can't believe. It's nice out. I got my boy out on his tether. As you can tell, there he is. He's kind of come say hi. There's Rockster. Alright, now let me go. Now I haven't fired up the log splitter today yet. I've been pulling weeds, as you can tell, from here. I'm getting back. Pull a little bit, go do something else. I've pulled weeds around the pond. I'm not even worried about my waterfall this year, because I'm going to do it once I get the pump I want, and I got to redo the whole thing. I've been having a fire. As you can tell, I've got this area pretty well cleaned up. Still got some high grass, but now I've got most of the wood out of it. I can get my push mower around here and push it. My other rider, since it's here, let me show you. It's more or less overcast, and well, that's my smoke because of some of the wood I'm burning. There's a chance of rain today. I've weeded around my lawnmower a little bit, and the biggest thing is up top of the hill. That's why I'm going to walk on up here. I don't know if I showed you since the last update what I've been doing, but I got just these weeds in front. Now this little bit over here, and now all I gotta do is stake my tomato plants up and weed around them. I tried pulling these ain't coming up too easily, so I'm gonna bring out something. Some of my tomatoes are rotten. I've got to get in here. Some of my pepper plants look like they took a crap, but I've got some still growing. My cucumber plants, watermelons. As you can see, I got some couple small watermelons. I saw another cucumber. I've got a few odds and ends in here to get, and I got a bunch of cherry tomatoes I could come back out and pick. I didn't see from earlier. I've got my pepper plants in here I still weed around. Some of my mints are still, well, some of my herbs are still alive. I gotta straighten that one up. There's another watermelon. I've got to get in here and weed a little bit more. But as you can tell, I've got a lot done since my last update. So I thought I saw a cucumber here somewhere. I just gotta watch where I walk. Yeah. there's a little cucumber. Oh hell, it's ready to be picked, I think. There we go. There's wild cherry tomatoes that came up. They must have had seeds, and well, I lost a lot of tomatoes last year. Yeah, they're good. It rained some. I don't know, some of my plants are going to die because I was weeding. I might have pulled them by accident, but oh well. Oh, I do have a corn. I got one corn stalk. Sweet. I can still get back into here again, but at least oh, there's, look at those little cucumbers forming. Oh, I just seen a big one. Look at it. Let me go get that one. I'll work my way around to it. I'm gonna have to put you guys down for a minute. You guys fell over and we're looking at the stars. But there's another cucumber. That's a tomato plant. So my garden ain't doing too bad this year. I'm just gonna get some ground cover next year and cover it up so that I don't end up with this weed fest again. But being in the 90s and feeling like 100 degrees, really, I'm getting a little too old to be out here in that heat. It's bad enough when I go to work and I gotta go and fix a dye. I'm sitting on 800 degree dyes, feeling heat, so it's getting there. But that's more or less what I've done so far today. Well, since my last update. And today I've really done most of the outside work, weeding, except for the garden that was already done a couple days ago. Weeding, I'll leave it dry and mow over them. I'll try to finish weeding some more, as long as I can keep my fire going. I'm gonna burn up all this old wood. It's been sitting here since last year. I've been trying to burn, but haven't got into it. But I'm gonna also probably throw some of this in once it dries, or just mow over it. And that's really about all I've done. But at least, hey, as someone always says, work at it slowly, you'll eventually get it done. Just don't give up. I haven't given up, not yet. Just working hard at it when I can. Rocks are laying in the driveway. I'm gonna take the cucumbers in, sit out here for a little bit, rest, and rest. Get motivated again to get back into work. I also gotta run and go get some stuff from the store, but I ain't in the mood to do that right yet. So that's about it. All I can say is thanks for watching, and we'll catch you at my next update. Hopefully it won't be that far. Maybe next weekend I can do it. I'm going to put in for another position I should get it, which means hopefully I'll go to first shift. It means I'll get some stuff done during the day if I'm not a first shift person. But, oh well. Hey, thanks for watching, you guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.